Denver, Colorado.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah, these guys are trick-or-treating, all right.
He's like, yeah. You can hear him too.
Waukegan, Wisconsin.
I don't know where the fuck that's at.
The thing is, I don't find it
This lady
beneficial to
takes someone's
steal
whole
stuff off
mailbox
purchase.
and runs off.
What
the
the fuck you
fuck?
steal, you dumbass bitch?
I don't know what she stole.
Oh my god, I
Can't
wish she
even have
ate
a
shit, bro.
mailbox outside anymore. Get lost.
A lunchbox? You're
Where's
risking
my
it all
mail?
for
The
that.
woman showed up.
New Orleans, Louisiana. Yeah. Can't have no decorations out.
This motherfucker stole the
That's
decorations.
crazy, bro. Decorations.
Bro.
Think about it.
I think one of our uncles got their decorations.
Oh
started.
yeah,
It's
I
Christmas,
remember.
no?
Yeah. I remember that shit.
Outside either.
That's
Like, bro,
crazy.